Is your PS5 stubbornly refusing to connect to your Wi-Fi, leaving you stranded from your online games and favorite streams? Let's tackle this frustrating issue step by step, so you can get back to gaming as quickly as possible. First, check the basics by power cycling your PS5. Completely turn off your console and unplug it from the power outlet for about 60 seconds while it's unplugged. Also restart your router by doing the same. Unplug it from power for 60 seconds and then plug it back in. This clears up temporary glitches that often disrupt connections. Next, delve into your PS5's network settings. Go to Settings, and then Network. From there, select Test Internet Connection to see what's happening. It is very important to see what the test results report. If the test fails, or if you see network settings are configured but cannot connect, try adjusting your Wi-Fi settings. Choose Setup Internet Connection, then select your Wi-Fi network, and enter your password if necessary. If it still fails, select Easy and try to connect that way. If the easy method doesn't work, go back and pick Custom. With Custom, you'll manually configure your connection. If your router is using WP security, try switching to WPA2 or WPA3. Also, make sure the correct DNS setting is selected. Generally, the automatic option works best. If problems persist, try using Google's public DNS servers, which are 8888 primary DNS and 8840 for secondary DNS. If Wi-Fi is still giving you grief, consider temporarily connecting your PS5 directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. This bypasses the Wi-Fi entirely, which isolates the problem. Finally, if none of these steps work, there might be an issue with your router itself. You might need to consult your router's manual or contact your internet service provider. Hopefully, these steps will get you reconnected and back in the game.